All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do you say we fix something? I'm going to show you how to change the wax ring in your toilet. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to shut the valve off that's behind the toilet on the wall. After you've shut the valve off, you're going to remove this little plastic cap right here to expose the nut and stud that's in the floor. And you're going to take those nuts off of the base of the toilet. There's one on each side. Okay, so I forgot to mention, once you've got the valve shut off at the wall, you're going to flush the toilet and you're going to empty all the water out of the toilet. There's still going to be some residual water in the bottom of the toilet, but it's all right. You're going to have to be real careful when you remove the toilet from the floor so you don't spill that water. All right, so once you've got the little plastic cap off of there, and you've exposed the nut and the stud, you're going to go ahead and take those nuts off of there and lift the toilet up off of the floor. Just like I said, though, remember there is still a little bit of water in the toilet. All right, so when you're replacing the wax rings, there's two different ways you can go. This one right here has the hardware included. Or you can also get without the without the hardware. I'm going to go with the hardware one. I actually had this one left over from the last time I had to do this in the other bathroom. That way it's got all new hardware and everything, and you don't have to worry about old crappy hardware not doing what you want it to do when you tighten the nuts up. All right, so once you get your hardware in and your wax ring down on the floor, you're going to put this in the center of the wax ring. It's like a little plastic gasket that the toilet sits on. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, it's going to look just like this once you get everything set up. And then all you have to do is just put the toilet back over the top of it, and you got to make sure that the bolts go into the holes on the side of the toilet tank on the base. Okay, so to do this job, you're really only going to need 3 tools, okay? First, you're going to need a pocket knife, and that's basically to pry this cap off of here. Then, you're going to need an 11mm wrench and a small flathead screwdriver. And the reason why you need the flathead screwdriver is because there's a slot on top of this bolt that fits in. Okay? You're going to go ahead and thread your bolt on. Oh wait, help if I put the washer on there. And you're going to thread your nut on there. Okay, and you're going to take your flathead screwdriver. You're going to put it in the top of the slot. And basically that's just so that the stud doesn't move around any. And then after you get it tight, you just repeat and do the other side. All right, guys, so we're all done here. It's not that big a deal once you learn how to do it. It's a pretty easy process. Just remember, the hose that comes out of the wall that is connected to the valve, you have to take that off to remove the toilet. Remember to reconnect it before you turn the water on, or you will have a mess. Trust me, I know I did it the first time I ever did this. But that's it. We're all done. The only thing left to do is test it out, and we'll do that off camera. We'll save you from that. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one.